Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the fingerprint cloner ready, and the game mode allows fingerprint use. Move to the target area, align your crosshair on the print, and press the Use key to initiate the scan. This captures a template. Once done, make sure to hold steady. Movement will abort the read. You're doing this to create a matchable print file for later application, so get a clean read before moving on. Once you have the template, open the cloner menu and choose Create Clone so you can refine it. You'll adjust intensity and smoothing to mimic pressure, age, and smears. This matters because NPC checks use pattern tolerance. Make small changes, then preview the result. Rotate the print and zoom to ensure ridges align with the original. If the preview fails, step back, rescan, and tweak parameters until the match indicator turns green, then export the clone. You apply the clone by selecting Apply Clone and targeting the lock, panel, or NPC hand. The game shows a progress bar. Don't interrupt it. Interruption can corrupt the clone. Once applied, immediately run a verification check at a terminal or with a test NPC to confirm acceptance. If it fails, make one small adjustment, lower intensity or add slight smearing, then reapply. A key troubleshooting tip: if repeated attempts fail, rescan the original surface.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.